In addition to being the world leader in chicken meat exports, Brazil ranks second in the ranking of largest producer, led by the United States. Find out how to take advantage of this growing market and be part of this statistic. I present, exclusively, this excellent farm located in Ceilândia, Federal District, just 250 meters from Branch 070. With 25.17 hectares, it houses a modern and well-equipped farm. With a solid partnership with JBS, one of the largest and most respected food companies in the world, you will have access to an international export network and cutting-edge support. JBS exports 80% of its poultry production to more than 30 countries, including Japan, the United Arab Emirates, Canada, and South Africa. This global network ensures that products meet the highest quality standards, positioning the farm as a strategic point in international trade, in line with growing demand. The farm has 3 aviaries of 2,030 square meters, with a total capacity to house, on average, 78,000 birds per cycle. There are 6 production cycles per year, totaling approximately 468,000 birds. The expansion potential is extraordinary, with a project already outlined for the construction of 7 more aviaries, exponentially increasing production capacity and return on investment. Every detail of the infrastructure was designed to maximize production efficiency and ensure animal welfare. With advanced control systems for lighting, ventilation, humidity, temperature, nutrition, litter quality, and biosecurity. Sustainability is one of our core values. The eucalyptus plantation contributes to the heating of the poultry houses in an ecological manner, while the waste and chicken litter recycling system produces high-quality fertilizer, generating significant annual revenue. For those seeking diversification, the farm offers space for raising cattle and installing photovoltaic power plants, creating sources of revenue and increasing profit potential. With infrastructure ready to operate on a large scale, each production cycle has a guaranteed destination. This is your opportunity to invest in a robust and constantly growing sector, with the security of a consolidated and extremely profitable operation, backed by JBS. Take the first step to ensuring your success in agribusiness. Contact us to receive more information. Schedule your visit and discover the potential of this investment.